We are out across this country as well tonight, where they are seeing cases growing. In Michigan, the third highest toll, more than 700 dead. We reported on the Detroit bus driver who spoke out about passengers not covering when they coughed. That driver then dying days later from the virus. Tonight here, the plea from his family to stay home if you're sick. And this evening, from Michigan to Louisiana to California, the faces, the stories of the patients fighting this. Here again, ABC's Matt Gutman tonight.
We out here as public workers doing our job.
The family of Detroit bus driver Jason Hargrove is grieving tonight and pleading with the public.
This is not a game out here. This is not a joke out here. I am missing my husband. My children don't have their dad anymore. This is serious.
Hargrove's Facebook posting about a passenger coughing on him went viral, and days later, he got sick.
For you to get on the bus and stand on the bus and cough several times, that lets me know that some folks don't care.
He's one of over 700 to die in Michigan, where the disease has impacted the African American community especially hard. They comprise only 14% of the population, but 40% of the deaths. With the national death toll topping 10,000, some still ignoring stay-at-home orders. This park in San Francisco packed, people piling into this market in Washington, D.C. And on Palm Sunday, over 1,200 gathering for church in Louisiana. The pastor telling us they practiced social distancing. And so far, 9 governors have still not issued statewide shelter-at-home orders. Just today, Iowa's governor ordering businesses shut down after cases spiked about 35% since the weekend.
This virus doesn't discriminate whether you're in a small town versus whether you're in a big city.
Tonight, the urgent need to test people for the virus intensifying. The federal government saying at least 1.6 million tests have been done, but that's only about half of 1% of all Americans.
Hi, sir. How are you?
At the Malibu Urgent Care Clinic, Dr. Dan Katz will administer 450 tests over the next 48 hours, all of them to high-risk people.
The swabs only take a few seconds to administer, but it's already months into this epidemic, and this is the first time that tests have been done here outside Los Angeles.
And there, waiting in the rain, was Lisa Jo McGee, a lupus survivor who depends on a drug now used against COVID, even though its effectiveness against the virus is unproven.
So basically, people started buying out hydrochloroquine.
My pharmacy had it, but it was full. But a dear friend of mine found a pharmacist in Beverly Hills, and I finally got it.
A real rush for this. Matt Gutman with us live from Los Angeles. Matt, and as that woman told you, hydroxychloroquine now difficult to find because so many people with the virus, of course, desperate to try anything. With the president expressing hope about this, doctors on his team, Doctors Fauci and Birx, have been very careful, though, with what they're saying about it.
Everybody is, David. You know, the drug was originally designed to treat malaria. Now it's treating lupus and rheumatoid arthritis in America. And we've spoken to people across the country who believe that the drug contributed to their recovery. We don't know if that's actually the case. And the scientific community is cautioning us that it could take weeks or even months before studies actually prove that the drug is effective against COVID-19. David.
All right, Matt Gutman tonight. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.